Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great, and also my friends, I hope that you all are having a very happy, healthy and positive life with your family, with your friends. So my name is Purba, those who are visiting me for the first time, and I make lifestyle related healthy vlogs and videos for you all. So my friends, my today's video is another diet plan related video. Yes, it's a full day healthy Indian diet plan or Indian meal plan with recipes, and this diet plan is perfect for those who wants to lose some weight, especially before Diwali. Yes my friends, Diwali is around the corner, and if you want to maintain a very healthy lifestyle before Diwali, and if you want to lose some weight, then definitely you can follow this diet plan. And you already know that I love to share my diet plan related videos with you all. You also love to see this video, and my friends, in this way I can share lots of healthy recipes with you all. So yes, this is my early morning drink. As you already know that I love to take lukewarm water with lemon and honey this time, because winter is around the corner, and especially in this time, if you can consume some honey with your lukewarm water with lemon, then it's extra beneficial for your health. And my friends, honey has amino acid, it has minerals, essential vitamins, and honey actually helps you to lose weight. And also lemon, you already know that lemon has potassium, magnesium, it's a fantastic detox water. And also lemon water always boost your metabolism. So yes, after waking up within 15 minutes you have to take this lukewarm water with honey and lemon. This will be your first drink of the day. So around 6:30 to 6:45 you can have honey water with lemon, and then after 10 to 15 minutes you can have 5 to 6 almonds. So yeah, as I told you, 5 to 6 soaked almonds. So first, after waking up in the morning, you will take lemon water with honey, and then within 15 to 20 minutes you can take 5 to 6 soaked almonds. And now here comes a very important meal of a day, that is breakfast. Yes, breakfast is very important, and I always love to have very healthy and very heavy breakfast full of nutrients. So my friends, before having your breakfast and after having your almonds, you can go for your morning exercise. So 30 to 35 minutes morning exercise is very beneficial for your health before having your breakfast. So please remember that. And now here I have started making my breakfast. As you can see, here I am pouring some olive oil into my frying pan. So my friends, olive oil is very good for your health. Extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil or avocado oil or even butter you can use to make your breakfast. And here you can see today I am making egg bhurji with lots of vegetable. Yes, I love to add vegetable in my diet, and even in breakfast I prefer to have some veggies. Today I am making my egg bhurji with carrots, tomatoes, and then cabbage. Cabbage is the star ingredients of today's bhurji, because I love to have egg bhurji with lots of veggies. Yes, you can add whatever vegetable is available in your kitchen, or whatever vegetable you like to have in your breakfast. You can add some spinach too. And here I am adding some salt, and then I'll add some pepper. After adding salt, now I am adding some pepper. So this much, just salt and pepper. I am not adding any extra spice. But yes, if you like to have some Indian tarka in this egg bhurji, you can add some cumin powder or even dhania powder or red chili powder. But honestly, in the breakfast, I just love to have my bhurji or any kind of sabji in this way. Just simple little amount of salt and pepper. This is sufficient for me. And now I am cooking it in medium to low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. And here you can see my sabji is almost ready. I don't want to make it very soggy and soft. Little bit of crunch is always good in this bhurji. And now here I am adding my beaten egg into it. And then again I'll cook everything together. So you can actually make some omelette too. In my previous video I have shared keto breakfast breakfast recipe, and there I made a spinach omelette with lots of cheese. But today it's not a keto diet plan. Today I'm sharing a normal Indian 1200 calorie diet plan. So because I'll add some carbohydrate in my diet too, so that's why I'm not adding any cheese or any extra fat, butter, ghee into it. Just a simple egg bhurji with lots of vegetable, and I made it in olive oil, as you can see. So yeah, looks like my egg is done. Just 1 to 2 minutes more and then my bhurji will be absolutely ready. And for my vegetarian friends, I'm telling you, you can make the same bhurji with lots of paneer or with tofu or soybean. It will taste equally good. And here is my breakfast platter. Is looking absolutely delicious, very tempting, and it's loaded with protein, vitamin, mineral and essential nutrients. Here is my egg bhurji with lots of veggies, 2 slices of brown bread. Brown bread is always good to have because it's loaded with essential fiber. And here is my green tea, 1 cup of that. And also I love to add some dates in my breakfast platter. So yes, 2 pieces of dates, and here is my very healthy breakfast is absolutely ready. After having your breakfast around 10:30 to 11 as a mid-morning snack, you can have some fruits. Yes, my friends, seasonal fruits is perfect to have around this time. Today I am having sweet lime. You can have whatever fruits is available in your city, in your town. You can have cucumber, you can have pineapple, you can have nariyal pani, whatever you want. Now it's time to prepare a very healthy lunch. Today I'll be having chole with rice, and with that I'll have some palak ki raita. So that's why I'm making palak ki raita now. This palak ki raita recipe already I have shared in my channel. Also I have already shared chole recipe. So that's why I'm not sharing these 2 recipes with you all. You can see in a very simple way I'm making my palak ki raita. I have added some panch foron and some mustard seed in the oil. Then I have added palak and all the spices. And yeah, here is a very healthy and delicious bowl of palak ki raita. It's looking very gorgeous and it will go super perfect with my chole rice. And now it's time to have this delicious lunch. Around 1 to 1:30 I prefer to have my lunch. If I go outside, then also I just make sure that I have my lunch around this time. Time is very important, my friends. If you are trying to lose your weight, or if you are trying to maintain a good weight or a healthy lifestyle, then definitely you have to have your meals in a regular time. So yes, now it's 1 to 1:30 and here is my delicious platter with chole, rice, palak ki raita and lots of salad. You already know from my previous videos that I love to add salad into my diet. So here my lunch platter is absolutely ready. Today I have taken my lunch in this small platter. This is actually a snack plate, you can say. And this is my bigger proper bigger lunch plate. But this is a good trick actually. I just want to share this trick with you all. Please try to have your food in small bowls, small plates. In this way you will have a tendency to eat a small amount of food, and it's good for your health if you're trying to lose your weight. And this is my small steel bowl. So 1 bowl of rice, 1 bowl of chole, and then 1 small bowl of raita with salad. This is my perfect lunch, Indian perfect lunch. And now around 4 to 4:30, whenever you will start feeling hungry, you can have 1 fruit. So 2 fruits in a day. 1 you have already taken as a mid-morning snack, and 1 fruit you can have around this time. And here comes the evening snack. So my friends, I know around this time you will feel so hungry and you have a tendency to have lots of outside junk. But please don't have outside food, outside junk, pizza, burger, roll, chips, cold drinks, these things. Instead you can have some healthy oats cookies. Here you can see 2 pieces of oats cookies I am having. You can have some nuts too, almond, walnuts, peanuts you can have. And also I am having 1 cup of Indian tea. So around 5:30 to 6, whenever you will feel hungry, you can have 1 cup of tea. And in this tea, I have added some elaichi and adrak, and in this way my tea is super healthy and I didn't add any sugar in my tea. So without sugar, you can have 1 cup of tea with some cookies. And here comes the last meal of the day, which is dinner. Again, it's a very important meal of a day. And please, my friends, try to have your dinner around 8 o'clock. So 8 to 8:30 in the night, you can finish your dinner, and then around 11 to 11:30, you can go to sleep. So this is a good habit. Please try to have your dinner around 8 o'clock. So today I am making a very healthy and delicious sauteed vegetable with chicken, which is a very healthy, super good for your health, loaded with protein and fiber. Now here I am adding olive oil into the pan. I am adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I am making this chicken dish for 2 people, for me and for my husband. And I have cut lots of capsicum, fresh capsicum and broccoli. You can add whatever vegetable you want, but chicken goes perfect with capsicum and broccoli. Trust me, my friends, please do try in your home and you will love it. So in the oil, I have added some ginger garlic paste. Just to add some Indian tadka into it. You can skip it too. You can add some garlic into it, and then you can add directly all the veggies. But I'll add garlic later in the recipe. Just as of now, I'm adding my chopped veggies into it, and I'm cooking it into low to medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. And now at this stage, I'm adding some garlic into it, crushed garlic. So my friends, I have always seen that in this way garlic releases lots of extra flavor into the dish. So yeah, not in the beginning, but in the middle of my cooking, I always prefer to add garlic, especially whenever I'm making this kind of crunchy sauteed vegetable with chicken or fish or eggs. So yeah, this is almost like a chicken salad. The thing is, I am cooking my veggies for 3-4 minutes. That is the difference. Otherwise, it's just like chicken salad. It's a very, very healthy and protein and fiber rich recipe. And now here I am adding salt and then red chili powder, little amount of cumin powder too. And then I am mixing everything well. I'm giving it a very good mix, and look at my veggies, it's looking very colorful, and trust me, it's loaded with fiber and nutrients. Please try to add capsicum into your diet. Capsicum, broccolis, these are perfect for your weight loss journey. And my friends, if you don't find yellow or red capsicum in your market, then definitely you can go ahead with a just simple regular green capsicum. And in that case, you can add some carrot into it. So yeah, carrot, capsicum, these are high in carotene, so very good for your health. And now I have added my boiled chicken, and then I am mixing everything well. No other spice, just this. And now here I am adding few more drops of olive oil, not much, just few drops of olive oil to have the extra glaze. So yeah, here my sauteed veggies with chicken is almost ready. Here you can see I'm mixing everything properly, and my chicken is already boiled, so it doesn't take much time to get cooked. And here my capsicum is also ready. And here at last, for some extra flavor, extra taste, and obviously for extra health, I'm adding some lemon, and also I'm adding some honey into it. And honey actually adds some sweetness into the dish, because I don't want to add any sugar into my dish. You have already seen in my recipes, I didn't use any sugar. So yes, it's a 1200 calorie diet plan, so I always keep that in my mind whenever I make my recipe related videos. So yeah, just a little amount of honey just adds lot of flavor and lot of taste into the dish, and yeah, it's ready. Let's look at this dinner platter. It's looking absolutely gorgeous, very healthy, very tempting. I have added some onion on top and some tomatoes too to have some extra crunch, and it's looking super gorgeous. and I'm not having any roti or any rice with it, but if you want you can have one piece of bread or one piece of roti. But this chicken dish is just perfect in this way. You can enjoy this meal. And please my friends, do maintain a very healthy lifestyle. Don't watch TV, don't scroll your phone whenever you are having your meal. Just try to enjoy your meal peacefully. In this way you can be more connected with your meal, with your food. It's a very good for your health too. And also drink plenty of water, always take care of your health, and always do your exercise. Because I keep on telling you, diet without exercise and exercise without diet is useless. So my friends, try to maintain your balanced and healthy lifestyle with proper diet and proper exercise schedule. So I hope you have enjoyed my today's recipe. I hope you have enjoyed all the recipes that I have shared with you all today. So enjoy your Diwali, stay fit, stay positive before Diwali, and lose your weight in a healthy way before Diwali. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new vlog. Tata bye bye, love you, keep smiling.